What up, YouTube? So today is going to be part 4 of the Honda Accord cb7 Accord Type R swap. And today we finally got our mounts in, our hasport mounts. And if anybody wants to know exactly which ones they are, these are the cb7. So basically this is the Accord transmission mounts for the cb7 instead of the RSX or SI transmission. So they're a lot different. So these are the mounts right here, and if anybody's having trouble with hasport, they are taking a lot longer now. And brackets, so see, you can see how the rear T bracket's a lot different from a traditional K-swap one that you guys are used to. So we got that. We're gonna start getting the mounts and brackets put onto here. We also have to put a RSX passenger side bracket on here, so we're gonna get that on here as well and get everything ready. We got the Accord ready pretty much with the cherry picker. I'm also gonna pretty much paint this up real quick so it'll look a little cleaner, get it black and clean it up, and then we'll start installing the mounts and get it dropped in here, and then we'll start attacking maybe the shifter cables, get the clutch line bled and everything, and just start getting everything in here so we can start getting this car hopefully started. I don't think we'll start it on this video exactly, but for sure on the next one we will, but we'll be doing a lot of prep on this one. So we'll go ahead and start getting this cleaned up, paint it, and then we'll get the brackets on here, and then we'll come back, show you how the brackets look, and then we'll install. Alright guys, so we're back. We got the RSX engine bracket on this side, and then we have our bracket for the transmission on here, and then our rear bracket. So motor's pretty much ready to drop in right now, and then we got the motor mounts over here prepped, ready. We got our subframe sprayed black. Other than that, looks like we're ready to drop it in. Now on this side, we are going to get it welded and everything. I'm just doing a pre-fit right now. We'll take this all back apart, and then we gotta sand it all, the paint off, and then get that welded on here, and then we'll paint the same color as the actual car so it'll match. So yeah, right now we're gonna go ahead and drop it in, and after that we can start installing the shifter cables, get our clutch line on here, and probably get into the axles after that. Alright guys, so we're back now, and the k20a Type R Accord is finally installed. Wasn't too bad. Had a little trouble, but I figured it all out. Right now, we're gonna get to the slave cylinder and do the shifter cables and get that out of the way so we can get the shifting, and then we can start adding some clutch line fluid to the S2000. If you guys haven't seen, we installed an S2000 slave master or clutch master cylinder, and then this is just a regular clutch line for K series. Yeah, we're gonna get that knocked out, and then we're probably gonna go ahead and start getting to the axles and half shaft, and then probably mount the radiator next, and then after that we'll see what we have to do after that. Alright guys, so we are back now, and we got a couple things on here so far. So I found out the throttle cable is not gonna work. I forgot this is an automatic car, so the throttle cable is different from the manual bracket, so I'm probably gonna just run an RSX one for now. We're gonna go pick one up for the next video. We got our power steering on here, so we're gonna have to trim this a little bit since these didn't actually come with power steering. They came with electronic power steering, which they just have an idler pulley. So but we'll get to that. We got to get the belt on here as well. If you guys want to see exactly the clearance for the oil pan, it's not too bad. The car is pretty low. Well, not too low, it's lowered, but other than that, I like the way it looks in here. Fits perfect. I got the half shaft with the new seal in here, so that's good. All we gotta do is put our axles, but we're not gonna do pretty much anything more further than this because we do have to get this mount welded. So I'm going to be taking care of that this week so we can actually start finishing putting the axles. We'll start doing our fuel system on here, our heater hoses. We're gonna throw just the TSX exhaust manifold for now until we throw the turbo kit on here later. regular, just to get an intake on here. We got to get the RSX engine harness and ECU. Mount the radiator, a couple more things, but this car should be done within hopefully the next couple weeks. So after everything, we'll take this thing for a drive, see how it feels. Other than that, guys, if you haven't, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video.